Yo, what's going on? My name is Amir and welcome to Street Production 303, and this is the latest, and many of you guys that are part of the YouTube community have heard of Alex Choi. He's also part of DDE, Daily Driven Exotics, and if you guys haven't seen it, his brand new rebuilt Lamborghini Huranacen, it's a very interesting build. I actually like it because it's so different, has been caught smoking out of the back of the car.
I see it. No!
Now, there's not much info out there regarding of what happened, but the whole thing is just smoking. Much of the speculation as of now is that the motor has blown up with his new twin turbo setup that he has on there. Prior to that, he had a supercharger setup. I'm not sure what's going on. Much of that has been a speculation in regards to the new tune. Hopefully in the next day or two we know more, but I will keep you guys updated with more info, and stay tuned and see you guys next time.